For today's class, we'll be looking at domestic animals in Igbo. Domestic animals. So the first one I want to talk about is goat. What is goat in Igbo? Egu. Egu. So we have he goat and negu, the she goat. He goat. Egu. Remember, Egu is the main name, is the name goat. Igbo calls goat Egu. The next one I want to look at is fowl. Fowl or kuku. Or kuku. We have neku, which is the hen, and kukoba, which is the cock. Fowl or kuku. Goat, Egu, guinea fowl, Ogazi, turkey, tolo. Alright, moving, duck rather, obagu. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Obagu. Okay, so moving, dog, nkita, dog, nkita. So I have ostrich, enyi, nnụnụ. Majorly, the birds are called nnụnụ in Igbo, even though they have different names. Birds, nnụnụ. So now, ostrich is enyi nnụnụ. Remember what's enyi, right? Remember, so enyi is an elephant. But then here, enyi nnụnụ, because it's very big. So enyi nnụnụ is ostrich. Then move to cow. Cow is ehi or efi. Efi. Next is horse. Ịnyịnya. Cat. Nwonobo. Cat. Nwonobo or busu. But the nwonobo. The next one is sheep. Atolo. Ram. Ebune. And the last one is pig. Ezi. Thank you. Ezi.